How to send a picture on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back everybody. If you want to send a picture on TikTok, in today's video, we are going to use the in-app direct message feature. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the TikTok application on your screen, and once you are here, you may just go ahead and navigate to any of the video or any other shareable content that you would like to see. So if there is any kind of picture content, you can just go ahead and share those kind of picture content. So let's say this is the picture content. You can look out for the share option and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, it opens up like this. Like when you tap on it, it gives you this option to send it with direct message. So you can look out for sharing with one of your friends, select it and tap on send. And when you do, that particular picture video will be sent. From here, what you can also do is from here, what you can do is you can go over to the DM icon or inbox option from the dashboard and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just select one of the chat where you would like to send a picture through direct message. So you can tap on it. And when you tap on it, it should open up the chat. You can just go over and look out for the picture icon from this inbox section right here. And once you select the option of picture, you may just head over and go ahead and tap on one of the pictures that you would like to send on TikTok. So you can just go ahead and select it. After that is done, you can tap on the send option on your screen. Tap on it. And there we go. Now the picture has been sent as a message in this chat right here. So you may also follow the same process if you would like to send a picture on TikTok. It is pretty easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.